So this is Aitanaj from InspiredRise.com, and today we are going to talk about the RealMe X2 Pro. I'm going to showcase and unbox it for the same and showcase all of the master editions for this device. So guys, let's first start with an unboxing for the same. This is the official box for the RealMe X2 Pro, and inside we have the master edition for this one, which would launch in December in India. And the master edition comes in two editions. There's the brick edition and the concrete edition for this device. Now if you look closely, you'll find that the master edition has rugged sides. Inside you get the TPU curve for this one, along with the documentation, quick start guide and the warranty card. And the TPU curve for this one is a black one, so it won't get dirty with time. Inside you also get the SuperVOOC charging adapter for this one, which charges this device really fast. Apart from this, you get the USB Type-C cable on the inside for charging, which is so thick that you can strangle a person with it. And apart from that, if you talk about what else do you get on the inside, you get the device. It comes with metallic sides, curved glass back, Gorilla Glass 5 on the front as well as the back. There's the power button on the right hand side along with the SIM tray slot for this one. And it comes with dual SIM slots. On the left side, there's the volume rocker. At the back, there's the quad camera module, which is slightly protruding out and it won't rest flat on a surface. If I talk about overall experience, the RealMe logo is placed really badly on this one, and the overall design looks a little bit weird because of the RealMe logo placement. But the thing is that the design grows on you if you keep using it for a long period of time. There's the 3.5mm jack, the USB-C port and speaker grill at the bottom, and it has stereo speakers and quite loud sound. If I talk about the display, it comes with a 6.5-inch Fluid AMOLED display, HDR10 plus 90Hz, has a water drop notch, maximum 1000 nits on auto brightness, and overall I felt that the display didn't have any other issues like color shift or improper color reproduction. All of those issues were not to be seen on this device, so the display is pretty good for the price. This device comes with FM radio, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, the GPS was good, call quality is good, the Netflix HDR certification hasn't arrived as of yet, and it's one of the only flagships right now with a 3.5mm jack. If I talk about the ColorOS experience, it's still pretty outdated and there are still a lot of bloatware apps which need to be fixed, but ColorOS 7 might improve upon all of these shortcomings, and then this device would become the kind of flagship that everybody has been waiting for. There's no aptX HD audio support on this device, and scratches at the back are easily possible over long period of use. But the best thing about this device is the fact that the in-display fingerprint scanner on this one is amongst the fastest that I've seen till now. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus processor and comes with UFS 3.0 storage on the inside, a 4000 mAh battery which also supports really fast charging, extremely fast charging, one of the fastest that I've seen till date, and the 50-watt SuperVOOC flash charger charges this 0 to 100% in less than 30 minutes. You can easily get 1 day of battery life on using the device on 60Hz mode. With the 90Hz mode on, you will be able to go till the evening without charging it. I think the major improvements to this device would come when the ColorOS 7 update comes out. We have already done a detailed video on ColorOS 7 on Inspire to Hindi, which you can check out. It's in the description below. There's no wideband L1 support right now or aptX HD audio support on this one. If we talk about the camera for this device, it comes with a 13MP f2.5 telephoto sensor, an 8MP f2.2 ultra-wide sensor, 2MP depth sensor, and a 64MP primary sensor. Sometimes the images turned out flat with low contrast, and the color accuracy definitely needs work. There is also a dedicated 64MP mode present on this camera. The ultra-wide camera supports nightscape mode as well, and the ultra-wide camera sensor also allows for great macro shots. The third sensor, which is the telephoto sensor, also comes with up to 20x hybrid zoom or 2x optical zoom. The portraits are great, but they'd also suffered from oversaturation issues sometimes. The selfies are okay, but the main thing is Gcam support. This device supports Gcam, and when you put Google camera on this one, the image quality definitely turns out for the better. You can shoot up to 4K 60fps videos with really good range and stabilization, and while recording you can also switch between the sensors, which means that you can record and as well as simultaneously shift between the ultra wide sensor, the normal sensor and the telephoto sensor. I found that slow motion videos 720p at 960fps is also possible, but it wasn't that amazing and came out slightly choppy. 240fps slow motion videos work well. Hardcore gaming at maximum possible FPS and settings was easily possible on this smartphone because of the Snapdragon 855 Plus, and I was able to play a lot of demanding games on maximum possible graphics. If I talk about whether the smartphone heats up or not, it did slightly heat up during extended gaming sessions, but it wasn't really that bad, and the internal storage read-write speed is really good because of the UFS 3.0 storage. This smartphone would retail for a price of 34,999 for the Master Edition, 8/128GB would retail for 30,000 rupees, and 12/256GB would retail for 33,999. At such a price, I feel that this is one of the well-built smartphones out there. But the competition is so high that I feel that even RealMe, Xiaomi, anybody could come out with a phone at any instant of time, and this phone might become severely outdated. But for the time being, this is one of the best smartphones in the 30k price bracket. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button and do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.